So, as promised last week, today I'm changing the camshaft, changing the timing chain, and oh yeah, the most important thing, I'm doing a camshaft degree, which wasn't easy at all. Wasn't easy for me, anyways. The idea behind it is it sounds easy, but it's not. You know, I was struggling quite a long time with it. Took me a while. Took me some time to do it. So yeah, I really hope I did everything right. Let me know in the comments if I've could have done anything different. You know, as I said, I'm just the amateur, trying to do my first build. Yeah, let's begin then. Guys, that's it for today. I'll drop the full cam spec below. Yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed it. See you next week. Thanks for watching.